Good morning. Today it is raining. This morning, I should say. It is raining as I'm heading off to Winco this morning. Windshield wipers are making some strange sound. But it is raining on this 14th day of February. It is the Valentine's Day here in the USA. I don't know if that's true everywhere. I don't think it is. But happy Valentine's Day to all the ladies out there. So heading off to Winco for a little bit of a shopping trip today. I don't gotta get too much stuff. I probably could have put this off. So this day in the life is primarily going to be about a winter storm warning that started at 10 o'clock last night. So it's about 4 in the morning and we are in a winter storm, and it's probably going to be our last chance to get snow down here where I live. There's going to be up to about 15 inches of snow in the mountains in the next 12 hours, supposedly. And I'm sure there will be because it's just about 39 degrees outside. So we might get a few snowflakes here, but I kind of doubt it. But this will be our last opportunity probably to get snow. After all, it's mid-February. So it's going to start warming up and snow will just naturally not be happening here anymore, except in the mountains. So I thought this was a good time to do a day in the life today. And if we get some snowflakes, I can certainly share that. Alright, just arriving here to the Winco. I see the security guys over there removing people from loitering and all that. Looks like the one guy's not very happy about it. I've had a couple people comment, and of course I welcome the comments and all that. I ask for people to comment, but I've had a couple people comment about take us up in the snow, and of course there's a lot of snow in the mountains. There's areas that are completely closed off, but around here we don't salt any of our roads here, and they gravel some of them, but they have pretty strict requirements for chains and traction tires and devices and all that, which I don't have, and I'm not gonna have. I don't ever intend on having anything like that. So it's really hard to get up there this time of year, because there's only a few routes to get up in the snow from here, and it's just hard, and they have checkpoints and things like that. So I would just get immediately turned around probably. And it looks like that person is not very happy with the security guy. He seems to be pretty unhappy. But anyway, so let's get in Winco. Just going to pick up a few things and then get back home. And probably not going to even be able to go on my morning walk today because of the rain. But we'll wait and see. Okay, $77 later. And I haven't seen no snowflakes yet. Alright. So, funny thing about this winter storm warning is usually our greatest risk for snow is in the early morning hours when, you know, it's colder, but they're predicting the heavy snowfall is going to be this afternoon, and that the temperatures will drop even more. So that's why I'm kind of excited. I would love to see an inch or two of snow right down here, even though I don't like to drive in it. And that's another reason I don't want to go up in the snow with my cataract, and now 2 cataracts. It's just hard to see in the lit up situations. Right now it's fine. I'm perfectly fine with, I can see very well. But when I'm in a lit up situation, boy, that cataract, it's like it's very hard to see. And I need to do an update video today for the cataract channel. For I've made a couple videos on it, and I need to update because I got some good news yesterday, and I will share that in the update. I don't know what happened to the guy that was arguing with the security guy. He must have left. As I walked over there, I could hear him very loudly protesting about being asked to leave. And what can you do, you know? Okay, well, let's head for home and unpack $77 worth of groceries. All right, it's about 11 o'clock in the morning now, and I have been very, very unproductive. It's just going to be all day rain, well into the night. Just not much going on here at the old house today. I didn't get to go for my morning walk, so I didn't really feel like it, and it was raining. And I got plenty of exercise today at Winco. I walked pretty good there.